Next beta, loading. So first of all, what is loading? In this case of beta loading, what we do? In this case, the fine particle which are not much heavier or smaller in weight, these particles are made to become heavier so that they can easily settle down at the bottom of a beaker, and so that they can be easily separate out. So what we do in this case during sedimentation, which we have done previous topic, in that case the heavier coarse particle easily settle down, but the finer particle which are lighter in weight of the clay settle down very slowly. So that finer particle are made to settle faster by dissolving small quantity of alum in muddy water. Okay, this method is called loading. When alum, like this way, this is muddy water, when we alum dissolve in it, see, you can see here downside the clay color, brown color is showing downside, means the finer particles settle down faster. Because this alum, due to this alum, the fine particle get loaded with alum particles and form a large aggregate meta groups. Okay, so this make them to settle down faster. Next topic beta, filtration. So before starting that topic, two terms you need to learn. During the process of filtration, we use a filter paper to separate a mixture. So here two things are formed during filtration. First is residue, which is insoluble component of a mixture. Second is filtrate, that is clear liquid, as like your mother form a cheese at your home. So when after formation of cheese, what she do, she filter that mixture of cheese and water through a cloth, muslin cloth. So their muslin cloth is act like a filter paper, through which when your mother pass that mixture, then insoluble component like cheese is left behind upper side, and downside clear water passed out. That clear liquid is called filtrate. So same way this method is used for separation of insoluble solid particle from liquid. In this method a mixture is allowed to pass through a filter, like this way filter, and filter is a medium with the fine pores. Filter paper have a fine pores, holes, so the insoluble solid particle are retained in the filter as a residue, and clear liquid is passed through it as a filtrate. So commonly used filter are piece of muslin cloth filter paper. Even a layer of cotton or layer of river bed sand can also be used as a filter nowadays. Special filter is used to obtain a high quality of purified drinking water, like at your home filters. In filtration, size of pores, means holes in a filter paper, is very important. For good filtration, pores of filter should be smaller than the size of particle, otherwise the particle will pass through it. Okay, so if they will be smaller, then they will not pass through it. And setting up a filter paper in the funnel is like this way. First one, this one is a filter paper, you have to fold one side, then double side, then you have to open it like a cone shape, and then you can fit it in this funnel. Okay, even at your home, filtrating tea by using strainer. This is strainer. Okay, here the tea leaves are retained by strainer. It's act like a filter. Okay, tea strainer cannot be used for filtering turbid water. Means for turbid water we can't use, like turbid water, that muddy water, like this way, means not clear water. For this we can't use that strainer.